Hello?
హలో అను
Huh?
హలో అను నేను నాయుడు.
Tell me.
ఆర్ యూ డ్రా ద గ్రాఫ్?
Yeah, I finished.
ఫినిష్
Yeah.
టుమారో
What? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow
You
is
didn't
it?
show, sir?
Huh?
You didn't show, sir?
I don't know. Don't draw the graph. Hello?
Okay. Whose number is this?
ఇది సుధాకర్ మన అవర్ క్లాస్.
Why I told you not to call from other people's number, no?
No, my cell don't balance.
What?
My cell don't balance. Hello?
I didn't like it, Naidu.
Okay, sorry.
Please don't do this.
Okay, sorry. And my cell no balance in my mobile.
You could have messaged.
Huh?
You could have messaged.
Okay. I didn't fluent English not.
What?
Okay. I didn't speak fluent English. So many wrongs in English.
I didn't get you.
Okay. Don't feel. Hello?
Hello?
Don't feel. I didn't fluent English not.
Okay, then
So
see you
many
tomorrow.
wrongs in English.
What?
So many wrongs in English. I speak so many wrongs in English.
That's okay. I understand what you're saying.
You teach the so many words in my English.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, see you tomorrow, okay? I'll
Okay.
tell you how to do the graph.
Okay, bye. I messaged.
You?
Huh?
I didn't get your message.
ఏదైనా అవసరం ఉంటే మెసేజ్ పంపుతాను. హలో?
Hello?
ఏదైనా అర్జెంట్ వర్క్
Yeah, okay, fine.
ఓకే బాయ్.
Okay, bye.